How much does a WordPress website development cost?
Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to website development. Today, we have an exciting topic to cover: how much does a WordPress website development cost? If you've ever wondered about the expenses involved in creating a WordPress website, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the cost breakdown, it's important to understand the factors that influence the overall expense of developing a WordPress website. These factors can vary depending on your specific requirements. However, here are some common ones to keep in mind. 1 point: customization and complexity. The level of customization and complexity plays a significant role in determining the cost of your WordPress website. Custom themes, plugins, and advanced functionality often require more time and expertise, which can increase the development cost. 2 point: design and user experience. Next, the design and user experience of your website can impact the overall cost. If you need a unique, visually appealing design, it may require additional design work or the services of a professional designer, which can add to the expenses. 3 point: functionality and features. The functionality and features you want to incorporate into your WordPress website also contribute to the cost. Whether it's e-commerce functionality, membership systems, or integration with third-party services, each additional feature may require extra development time and investment. 4 point: content creation. Don't forget about the content. Creating high-quality content, including text, images, and videos, takes time and resources. Depending on the amount and complexity of content you need, it can impact the overall cost. Second section: cost breakdown. Now that we understand the factors, let's break down the cost components of WordPress website development. Keep in mind that these estimates can vary based on factors we discussed earlier. Number 1. Domain and hosting. First, you'll need a domain name, around $10 to $15 per year, and web hosting, starting from $5 to $25 per month. These are essential expenses for your website's online presence. Number 2. Theme and plugins. Next, there's the cost of WordPress themes and plugins. While there are many free options available, premium themes and plugins can range from $30 to $200, depending on their complexity and functionality. Number 3. Customization and development. Customization and development costs can vary significantly. If you're hiring a professional developer or agency, prices may range from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on the scope of work and expertise required. Third section: tips to optimize your budget. Now that we have a clearer picture of the costs involved, let's discuss some tips to optimize your WordPress website development budget. Tip 1. Define your requirements. Start by defining your requirements and prioritizing essential features. This will help you avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters for your website. Tip 2. Research and compare. Do thorough research and compare prices and features of themes, plugins, and service providers. This will help you find cost-effective options without compromising on quality. Tip 3. DIY versus hiring professionals. Consider your own skills and resources. If you're comfortable with technology and have the time to invest, you can save money by building the website yourself. However, if you lack expertise or prefer a polished result, hiring professionals may be the way to go. Tip 4. Maintenance and updates. Remember to account for ongoing maintenance and updates. WordPress websites require regular updates, backups, and security measures to keep them running smoothly. Budget for these expenses to ensure your website's longevity.
E-commerce functionality. For those looking to sell products or services online, integrating e-commerce functionality is crucial. WordPress offers various e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce, which can provide a seamless online shopping experience. However, setting up and configuring an e-commerce store requires additional investment compared to a standard website. Ongoing maintenance and support. The ongoing maintenance and support for your WordPress website. Regular updates, backups, and security measures are essential for the smooth functioning and protection of your site. While you can handle some maintenance tasks yourself, it's often beneficial to invest in professional support to ensure your website stays secure and up to date.
That wraps up our discussion on the cost of WordPress website development. Remember, the expenses can vary based on your unique requirements, but with careful planning and research, you can create an amazing website within your budget.
Connect us via social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Contact us via WhatsApp, call, website.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more website development